going to discuss the most important topic, King Lear, which is a tragedy of a William Shakespeare. It is a very famous mm, content and drama, which is written by William Shakespeare. In this in this tragedy, William Shakespeare describes our three daughters and a king as a father who want to um, make his will and his all property divided into three daughters who love him most and in the comparison of the others. So now I'm going to discuss King Lear is a tragedy written by the William Shakespeare. It is based on the mythological Lear of Britain. King Lear, in the preparation for his old age, divided his power and land between two of his daughters. ठीक है? So King Lear, who is the king, and he wants to divide his power land between two of his daughters who love him the most in the comparison of the other. King Lear is a tragedy written by the William Shakespeare. It is based on the mythological Lear of Britain. King Lear, in the preparation for his old age, divided his power and land between the two of his daughters. King Lear of Britain, elderly and wanting to retire from the duties of the monarchy, he decided to divide his realm among his three daughters and declare he will offer the largest share to the one who love him the most. So as I have discussed with you, so he really wants to know who love him most. That's why he declared that he will decide it to divide his realm among his three daughters and declare he will offer the largest share to the one who love him most. The eldest, Gondrel, speaks first, declaring her love for her father in fulsome terms. Moved by her flattery, Lear proceeds Lear, um, moved by her flattery, Lear proceeds to grant to Goneril her share as soon as she has finished her declarations before Regan and Cordelia have a chance to speak. So, in this drama, we comes to know that how the elder sister, uh, name it as a Gondrel, speaks first and declare her love for her father in the fulsome terms. Moved by her flattery, and Lear proceeds to grant to the Gondrel her share as soon as she has finished her declarations, before Regan and Cordell have a chance to speak. So इससे पहले कि उसकी दोनों डॉटर से कॉर्डेलिया एंड रैगन वो अपना जो लव है अपना अपनी फीलिंग्स है इमोशंस है उन्हें एक्सप्रेस कर पाती उससे पहले ही उसने किंग ने अपनी सारी पावर अपना सारा लैंड प्रॉपर्टी वो सब कुछ गॉर्शल जो कि उसकी एल्डर सिस्टर थी उसको देने के लिए डिक्लेरेशन दे दिया. So in this drama, we have some kind of MCQs based questions, which is very important to those students who are preparing for the UGC NET. And this drama will be also um, also very important for the students who are pursuing a masters in English, and this drama is also belonging from them. And these are the questions which are repeated in the UGC NET exams. That's why I am discussed with you. So, in the Act 1, Scene 1, King Lear is the king of England. Okay? So, these kind of a questions will be come in your exam, and you have to answer all the questions. And yeah, first of all, you have to understand the whole drama, whatever is going on in the drama in the Act 1, Act 2, Act 3, Act 4. So there are so many acts, and the first act is very important, and which is declare what is whatever is going on in the whole drama. So that's why I'm going to discuss with you Act 1. Scene 1. King Lear is a king of England. From whom had the king more regards? Duke of Albany. The Edmund is the son, the Earl of Gloucester. For how long had Edmund been abroad? 9 years. What had the king decided about his kingdom? To divide it into three parts. How many children has the king? Three daughters. Why did the king decide to divide his kingdom? Being very old, he wished to seek the relief from the business of the state. Who were the Duke of Burgundy and the King of France? Suitor and candidates for the hand of the Cordelia in marriage. Who was King Lear's elder sister, elder daughter? Gondriel. Who was the King Lear's youngest daughter? Cordelia. How many daughters of the King Lear married? Two. How many daughters of the King Lear were unmarried? One. What was the name of Gondriel's husband, Duke of Albany? What was the name of Regan's husband, Duke of uh, Duke of husband? So, this drama is very important, which is written by William Shakespeare, which is the tragedy of William Shakespeare. And first of all, you have to understood whatever is going on in the whole drama, and you have to read the drama by act by one, two, act by act, and you have to know all the characters, how the Gonshal, she what which kind of a character she have in the drama, and how the Cordelia and which kind of a character she have, and also a dragon. Dragon is also a also a daughter of a King Lear, and you have to know each and every character in a very deep manner, and you have to read it in your act 1, in your act 2. You have to understood all the character in a very deep manner, and you have to um, read whole the novel properly. The question will become in a very deep manner and asking you very small questions, as I have discussed with you, which is very easy, but you have to understood which kind of a novel is that, and which kind of a um, whatever is going on, or which kind of a story is here. So these are the most important thing you have to know, and it is a very important drama by the William Shakespeare, you have which is very important for the UGC NET preparation students, as well as the master students and of English. And these are the examples I have discussed with you, which kind of questions are coming and repeat it in your exam. So you have to um, um, do the practice, lots of practice about this kind of a question. Here I'm going to discuss with you and make you understand how this kind of a questions are very important. King Lear is the king of England, from whom had the king more regard, Duke of Albany. The Edmund is the son of the Earl of Gloucester. For how long had Edmund been abroad? 9 years. What had the king decided about his kingdom? To divide it into three parts. How many children has the king? Three daughters. Why did the king decided to divide his kingdom? Being very old, क्योंकि वो बहुत बूढ़ा हो गया था. He wished to seek the relief from the business of the state. Who were the Duke of Burgundy and the King of France suited as candidate for the hand of the Cordelia in marriage? Who was the King Lear's eldest daughter? Gondriel. Who was King Lear's youngest daughter? Cordelia. How many daughters of King Lear married? Two. How many daughters of King Lear were unmarried? One. What was the name of the Gondriel husband, Duke of Albany? What was the name of dragon husband, Duke of husband? So I hope you like this video, which is very important according to your examination point of views. Do lots of practice of this kind of objective and MCQs questions, and mm, I hope you understand whatever I have discussed with you, whatever is going on in this novel. Thank you so much.